Big breaking news coming in. Cruise drug bust. NCB continues its crackdown. At the moment is what we are picking up. The NCB officials have raided the cruise once again. More drugs have been recovered from the cruise after the raids is the big breaking story. We're breaking on India Today at the moment. The Narcotics Control Bureau have recovered more drugs from the cruise after the raids were over. Divyesh Singh, who's breaking the story, is now joining us for the very latest. Divyesh, number one, there are more drugs that have been recovered from the cruise after the raid. So give us a sense of what's going on as far as this drug bust is concerned. And number two, you also have Cordelia management going on to wash their hands of all that happened on their cruise liner. How is that even possible? Are there no checks and balances and screening of the passengers, including their luggage, when they board the ship?
Jyoti, as of now, we are at the passenger terminal. This is the terminal where you can see the cruise over here, the cruise liner. It's docked over here, right behind the gate, right behind the passenger terminal. NCB officials since morning had been conducting raids on the cruise liner, and they had a specific tip of acting on which they were conducting this particular raid. They questioned several officials, they carried out a search operation, and the search operation is still on. So we are yet to get more details on it, on what has been found. But what is being said that NCB officials were acting on a specific tip-off. Remember, 8 accused persons, including Aryan Khan, who were on the cruise, had been arrested, following which this particular raid, this is a second raid. Earlier on Saturday, this particular cruise was raided, after which today again NCB officials since morning started conducting checks on the cruise liner. The cruise liner is docked at the passenger terminal over here in Mumbai, and the searches are still going on. As of now, the NCB Zonal Director Samir Wankhede was just here. He was supervising the search operation.
My question here is, Divyesh, why is the management not being grilled by the NCB also? How can they just wash their hands of drugs being present in a party that is being conducted on their cruise?
Chetty, last evening we saw the CEO of Cordelia Cruises being questioned by the Narcotics Control Bureau, and right now also several officials, several crew members of the Cordelia cruise liner are being questioned. They are being examined by the Narcotics Control Bureau, and yes, Cordelia cruise liner in their official statement had clearly stated that they had nothing to do with the drugs being found.
My question here, Divyesh, is as far as the accountability is concerned. When you are having a party on your cruise, you better be responsible for what goes on inside your cruise party. When the passengers are coming in, the screening has to happen. Where is the accountability as far as the management of Cordelia is concerned?
Exactly, that is the question which arises after drugs being found on the cruise liner. But the CEO of the cruise liner had clearly stated, washed off his hands and clearly stated that it was not their responsibility. It is a passenger terminal operated by the Mumbai Port Trust. So they pushed their responsibility. They passed the buck on Mumbai Port Trust officials that they had to conduct screening on each and every passenger, following which some of the passengers were examined by Narcotics Control Bureau. Remember, NCB officials were acting on a specific tip-off that there were drugs present, there were drugs being consumed at this party, following which this raid was planned and conducted on the cruise liner. Chetty?
All right, Divyesh, continue to be with us right there. For our viewers who have just tuned in, the NCB is continuing its crackdown after Saturday night drug bust off the Mumbai coast. The Narcotics Control Bureau officials have raided the cruise ship once again this morning, and a team of 20 officers led by NCB Zonal Director Samir Wankhede are interrogating the cruise members aboard the ship. It is learned that more drugs have been recovered in the fresh raids. The NCB has a list of all the guests who were a part of the cruise party, from which the agency has filtered in names in connection with the drug probe. The agency is raiding many locations in Delhi, Mumbai, Bengaluru, Goa, to look out for them. Remember, the NCB carried out overnight raids at multiple locations across Mumbai as a follow-up to its Saturday night drug bust. The agency has been known to have recovered drugs in large quantities in the raids.
नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो की टीम एक बार फिर पहुंच चुकी है। आप देख पा रहे हैं शिप पर, उसी शिप पर जहां पर रेव पार्टी चल रही थी और वहां पर नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो के मुंबई के जो चीफ है समीर वानखेड़े, वो भी यहां पर पहुंच गए हैं और एक बार फिर से यहां पर जो सर्च ऑपरेशन है वो चलाया जाएगा। आपको बता दें कि इसी शिप में छापेमारी करके शाहरुख खान के बेटे आर्यन खान को गिरफ्तार किया था। कुल मिलाकर 8 लोगों की गिरफ्तारी हुई थी, बड़े पैमाने पर ड्रग्स की रिकवरी हुई थी। तो एक बार फिर यहाँ पर इसी गेट से एंट्री की है नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो की टीम ने और सर्च ऑपरेशन चलाया जाएगा। आप देख पा रहे हैं यहाँ पर जो मुंबई अंतर्राष्ट्रीय कुछ टर्मिनल है, इसी टर्मिनल के अंदर नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो की टीम पहुंची हुई है। जो शिप है वो आज सुबह ही वो शिप जिसमें रेव पार्टी चल रही थी वो आज सुबह ही इस टर्मिनल पर पहुंची है, जिसके बाद नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो की भारी भरकम टीम पहले से यहाँ पर पहुंची हुई थी। समीर वानखेड़े यहाँ पर पहुंचे हुए और लगातार अब फिर से सर्च ऑपरेशन चलाया जाएगा। जो क्रूज के मेंबर हैं उनसे पूछताछ यहाँ पर।
Breaking news coming in. Aryan Khan has been taken to the hospital. He's going to be produced in the court shortly is what we are picking up. Let's get you those live visuals. Our reporter is following that cavalcade right there and he's been taken to the hospital. He's going to be produced in the court shortly. This is in the drug bust case as far as the Cordelia cruise is concerned. What we're picking up is that NCB is going to be asking for further custody of Aryan Khan in the drugs case. Pankaj Chapatia is now joining us for the latest. Pankaj, you're standing by right outside JJ Hospital right there. There is going to be an examination of Aryan Khan from what we are picking up. And what are you picking up as far as what transpires in the court in just about a bit? Will the NCB go ahead and seek for further custody, and if yes, for how many days?
So Chaiti, the latest from the ground zero is that Aryan Khan along with other arrested accused have been brought to the state-run JJ Hospital, where the medical checkup of all the accused is being done. This is a mandatory procedure which is being undertaken by the NCB. These NCB officials along with the Mumbai police officials have brought the arrested accused to the state-run JJ Hospital, and these arrested accused were here some 15 minutes back, and then we think that perhaps in 5 to 10 minutes time all the accused should be out. Then from here on either they could be taken yet again to the NCB headquarters, and after that they would be taken to the court at a stipulated time, or they could directly be taken to the court. And as we understand, Chaiti, since morning, two important developments of course have taken place. One, as we know, that the raids have been continuing at the Cordelia ship, wherein the zonal director Sameer Wankhede is already leading his team. And what's interesting here is that a lot of drugs have been recovered from the ship itself. This after the ship set sail and has returned to the Mumbai coast. So this is yet another important aspect. Now, perhaps during the round of questioning of not just these arrested accused, but also of the raids that were conducted overnight at various places. And of course, after getting in touch and questioning some of the crew members.
I'm going to come to you, Pankaj, in just about a bit. As far as this entire drug bust is concerned, NCB has claimed Aryan Khan's link to the peddlers as well. He is been taken to the JJ Hospital and shortly be produced in court. We'll track all these developments. But breaking news coming in as far as Lakhimpur is concerned. Let's go straight across to it.